Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to quickly convert your PDF file into image file like PNG, JPEG or any other different file format. So as you can see guys, I have one PDF file available in my iPhone. So just you need to open the PDF file and simply tap on share button, okay, like this. And here you can get one option. As you can see, just tap on it. From here you need to select your file format. I will select JPEG from here and set the image size resolution and tap on right arrow mark and tap on save image, like this. That's it. Now this PDF file was quickly converted into image file. You need to open your Photos app, scroll down at the end. Here you can get your converted PDF file into image file. As you can see guys, I have converted one PDF Aadhaar card file into image file. Okay, so without using any extra third party app, online extra tool, I have converted PDF file into image file on our iPhone. Okay, so that's for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.